All right. Some more progress here. The seat belts and headrests have all been installed. The roof is on, just to get an idea of what parts were needed for it and where they went. So it's not screwed down yet. I'm missing, there should be one of these right here on the other side that's missing. And I'm missing one bolt from the headrest there. But for some reason I have an extra headrest. I don't know why, there's a fourth headrest. So next I'm going to start trying to get some body plastic on it. That'll be my next adventure. See you.